In this video I'll show you how to create a Netflix account on your iPhone. First, open up the Safari browser. Tap the URL bar and type in netflix.com. Now enter the email address you want to use for your Netflix account. After that, tap on the Get Started button. Here, just tap on the Next button. So now you have to create a password for your Netflix account. If you don't want to receive emails from Netflix informing you about their special offers, you can put a check on this. After that, tap Next. Here, just tap Next. So now you have 4 pricing plans to choose from. You can select the basic plan, the standard plan, or the premium plan. So depending on your needs, you can select one. Then scroll down. Tap on the Next button. Choose how you are going to pay. I have the option to add a credit or debit card. And add your card details. Tap Agree here. Then tap on Start Membership. And your Netflix account will be created. That is how to create Netflix account on your iPhone device.